Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today Bear and I have a home goods haul for you guys. I'm super excited because I found some Halloween stuff. So I'm super excited to share that with you. So make sure to stay tuned, hit that like button and subscribe, and let's go ahead and jump into the haul. Alright, so I'm actually going to hold on to my Halloween stuff till the end of the video because I have a couple items I wanted to share that are not Halloween related. So I'll just go ahead and get those out of the way first, such as some kitchen utensils. So we have mostly KitchenAid utensils in our kitchen, and we've had them forever and ever and ever. So super excited to finally decide to go ahead and get some new ones. Such thing of being an adult, buying new kitchen stuff is exciting. Anyways, so we picked up the silicone tipped tongs in the Tiffany blue, and then I picked up another one of the black slotted spoons. I use these all the time. I usually have to get them out of the dishwasher to rinse and wash to use again. So I'm glad to have extras. And then we also picked these up because I really liked the color of this. But these are by Modern Chef, solid turner and slotted spoon, non-scratch silicone, perfect for cooking or serving. These, and I don't know how well the camera is going to pick up the color on this, but it's like they're marbled, so it's like a light sky blue marbled color, and I love them. They have a good weight to them as well, and they're silicone, so they're not going to scratch up any of my pans, pots, anything, so I really like these. Alright, and then I picked up two stacks. We usually buy this brand at Costco in the giant bag, but the ones at Costco are just the plain chocolate chip. So we're really excited to find other flavors because we had no idea these existed. So these are the Heavenly Hunks by E&C's, and these are non-GMO, gluten-free, and vegan. These are $3.99. And this one is the Cranberry White Chip. These are super good. I haven't had this flavor yet. Obviously, we just got them, but the chocolate chip ones that we get at Costco in the giant bag are delicious. And then the other flavor that they had is the Oatmeal White Chip. That's what they look like. But we do really like this brand, so I have very high hopes for these. And then on that food trend, one of the first Halloween related items are these 50 baking cups. These are orange with little black bats on them. I have some cupcakes and muffin ideas that I want to use, and I thought these would be really fun and festive, especially going into fall coming up here shortly. These were $3.99. They also have, was it white with black bats, and then they had one that was split colors, and they were orange and black stripes and then white and black stripes, but we went with these ones. The next two items are kind of what I was hunting for. I've been seeing some people posting that HomeGoods has been getting some Disney stuff. So we went last week and they didn't have anything. They had no Halloween, no Disney, no nothing. And then we went this week and they had a little bit of Disney, and then they had a few items of Halloween that they were just putting out on new carts. So I went ahead and grabbed two of the Disney items. The first one here is the serving tray, and this is the Disney's, what is this called? These are called Sketchbook. These are microwave and dishwasher safe. This was $9.99. I really love the print on these. I think this is so cute, and I love this. So it's got the Fab Five on here. So we've got Goofy, Mickey, Minnie, Pluto, and Donald all in their sketch form. So There's that. And then the next item from the sketch collection is one of these larger bowls, I guess. And they have the special vented microwave clear plastic lid. Here's the inside, just plain. And the outside of it has the little sketchbook ornaments, and this one is all Minnie Mouse. So, very cute. This one was $7.99. Now I have some of these ceramic bowls that I got from Costco. They're about 1/4 of this size. I use them all the time. I love them, especially for leftovers for when you go to work, things like that. They work really well. I'm glad to have a bigger size because then if I have larger leftovers, such as pasta from dinners or things like that, and I have more, I can easily go ahead and throw them in here, and then we can have them leftovers the next day. Alright, so I have a few items of Halloween, so let's go ahead and jump right in because that's the most exciting thing in this entire haul. So first I'm going to start off with something pretty basic. They had a whole end cap of Peanuts, Snoopy, Great Pumpkin merch. So I did pick up one coffee mug. Proud of myself, only grabbed one. This is the Linus and the Great Pumpkin. And then on the back it has Peanuts logo with a bunch of little bats and stars. It is plain inside, and this was $3.99. But I really like this, think it's super cute. They also had a white one, I think it had Snoopy on it, and then they had some stemless wine glasses, and they had a couple other items too, but decided just to get this one. And then, I have been watching some other ladies showing Halloween stuff in Homegoods, which is the whole reason that I've been on this hunt. And one of the items that I was hoping to find this year was this little lighted mouse Luminary. He is absolutely adorable. I love him. So he's this little white mouse, and he's got this little boo banner. He is completely ceramic, so you do need to be careful with him. These little stars on here are all cut out. If I turn him around, you guys can tell that you can fit a little tea light in here so that way he can light up. But is he not the cutest thing? He was $14.99, and I love him. Now I just need to find a place to put him. And then the next two are similar. We first found this guy. I really like this design with the stitched pumpkins. He does have these two little candy corns on the back here. I think you can pose them so that you can see them from the front. He's just really, really cute. He was $14.99. There he is. And then to go along with him, I also found the short one, and he was up at the register. I guess somebody had put him back and didn't want him, so when I found him, I brought him home. So now I have a matching set, which I'm quite excited about because he's super cute and I love him. Alright, and then the last two Halloween items, I will go with this guy. These are both, oh, I love this, it's so soft. This is one of the giant throw blankets that they get every year. This one in particular is black, and it has a bunch of Halloween sayings on it. It's got bats, witches, owls, spider webs, anything and everything to do with Halloween, and I love this. It's so soft. This was $14.99. This and the other ones, they were on a random rack away from the other blankets that they have, like for normal non-Halloween blankets. And so if I hadn't gone to that section, I wouldn't have even known that these were in the store. So definitely look all over your store because they're probably putting them in some random places until they make room to put them out for the Halloween stuff. So that is the blanket that I got. I do need to go ahead and throw it in the wash and stop trying to snuggle it until it gets washed. And then the last one, this I was super excited to find. I've been looking and wanting to find some couch pillows, but I don't know if this is gonna go on the couch. It might go on our bed. I don't know yet. But this is what it looks like. So cute. I love this. It is huge. This just says Happy Halloween on the bottom here in embroidered. It's got the little skull here and then the house with the kitty and some bats. And then the background here is kind of, it's not burlap, so it's comfortable that if you were to use this as a pillow like it's intended, you're not going to be uncomfortable. The back is this super soft orange velvet material. This was $16.99. They must have literally just pulled these out because they look like they were untouched on the fixture, and they had 2 of these, and then the other ones were like the Dia de los Muertos sugar skull design, and then they had like one with leaves and one that was more of like fall-ish, but I loved this one, so we went ahead and grabbed it. But that is everything from Homegoods for this time around. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!